Greetings, and welcome to the Church of Sam online video blog. My name is Damon Caulfield. My friends, a profound and disturbing event occurred all along the Pacific coast of North America yesterday on Easter Sunday. Magnitude 7.2 earthquake struck Baja California, Mexico, in the area of the town of Mexicali, shattering windows, destroying parking garages. It is obvious that the earth is angry. Angry with us. This was a warning. And why is the earth angry? The earth is angry because we are not connected. In the past few months, here at the Church of Sam online video blog, we have discussed how we need to become more interconnected with Mother Earth, with the people around us, with each other, with ourselves. And yes, we have been making progress. We have. But it's not enough. Obviously. You can see what happened. Mother Earth is angry with the fact that we are not connected, that we go about our daily lives selfishly, not contributing to the greater good. Worried about our next paycheck. And she is angry. She's angry at the fact that we dump on her. We dump toxic waste. We dump nuclear waste in the oceans, on the land. We dump just garbage. We smoke a cigarette. Toss it on the ground. Without a second thought. Cigarette tossed out of a car window burns down an entire forest. Mother Earth screams. This is not to say that we have not been doing better. This is not to say that we are not moving in a general direction. And this is why this earthquake was not as bad as it possibly could have been. But it was bad. An earthquake in Baja California in Mexico. It was felt as if it were a four-pointer here in Southern California. And felt as far north as Las Vegas in Nevada. This was a warning, my friends. We have to shape up. Or else, this little warning, next time, will become a scream. And we would not be the first race of creatures that Mother Earth has shook off. Because she has decided we're not worthy. This has been the Church of Sam online video blog. My name is Damon Caulfield. Thank you. Good day.